Hello sprinkles and welcome back to our beauty and culture extravaganza. I'm your online makeup tutor Frankie Franchi and I'm here to sprinkle some beauty knowledge with you. So today we have a makeup look planned. We're gonna recreate this K-inspired makeup look for the summer. We're gonna start with some K-beauty skincare with some products that are a staple in my beauty case, and we're gonna continue with this makeup. Make sure to get inspired. Always remember that if you recreate this look, make sure to tag me. So let's not waste any more time and let this makeup tutorial begin. I'm gonna keep the skincare really light as it's summer and this is gonna be a day makeup. Plus, I'm just gonna use some products that are really a staple in my beauty kit. And I hope they will become yours too. We're gonna start with toner. Now, this is one of my favorites and it's from Secret Key and it's the Rose Floral one. I have tried several of Secret Key toners and I love them all. Usually toner you apply it with a cotton pad, but what I like to do is actually, especially in summer, is I pour the toner into my spray bottle and then I spray myself with the toner. It gives you actually a fresh sensation. Now, of course, I just leave it in order for it to dry. If you want, you can use your hands and massage the toner on your face. Using a toner, it helps actually in absorbing the ingredients and the skincare products that you're going to use after. Another staple product that I have been using recently is vitamin C, and this is from Nugent and it's a serum and it's a vitamin C serum. It is used to brighten your skin tone, revitalize and hydrate your skin. So as you can see, we're using products that keep on adding hydration to our skin because it's summer, it's hot, and I don't know you, but I do really need a lot of hydration. You want to hydrate, but you don't want to over moisturize. If I moisturize too much, especially during the day, makeup is gonna glide on fantastically, but I think it's gonna also melt away during the day. So that's why we're going for hydration. This is, as I said, vitamin C. It's 22%. It's a high percentage, so I really suggest that afterwards you use a sunscreen. Now, if you've been following me for some time, you know that this next product is my most favorite product, and I always talk so well about it, and I always suggest it to all my friends, especially when they're starting their first steps into Korean skincare. It's my oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion from COSRX. I love this. Why? Because it's oil-free. It's for all skin types, but it's oil-free, so it's perfect under your makeup. It moisturizes your skin, but it doesn't give you that greasy feeling. Plus, it does contain a little bit of oil tea tree, which is de-inflamming. And I don't know if you've seen, I have some inflammation going on, so especially because of the weather. So this is what I need and it really helps. It's not aggressive. I have pretty much sensitive skin and it's not that aggressive at all, so I really do suggest. So a few pumps and here we go again. Plus I like the smell. You know, oil tea tree has a kind of minty, fresh smell to it. So you can also use this in the morning and in the evening. So the next step is actually sunscreen. Now, I'm not gonna apply sunscreen because I'm not going outside, but I do suggest that you apply sunscreen. Even though the next product that I'm gonna use is gonna open the makeup chapter, even though it does have SPF, I do suggest that you use SPF anyway. As a first makeup product, we're gonna apply my favorite BB cream, which is this one over here. It's from Misha, and it's the Perfect Cover BB cream. I've been using this for many years now, actually, and I still always go back and buy it. So every time I wear it, people around me are asking what I did to my skin because it's really like dewy, beautiful. It has a really nice finish, so it really looks natural too. It gives you a little bit of coverage, still keeping skin looking like skin. We're gonna use this tool over here. It's a puff. It's the one you find usually in cushions. You can buy it alone and you can apply any foundation with it. And yeah, it's like having a cushion foundation without having the cushion foundation. You just need the puff. My beauty tool, any pop. Moist fitting. Okay, let's do it. So moist fitting helps makeup fit tightly on your skin with moist finish. So there are actually different types of puffs that you can find, and based on the puff you have a different finish. This is actually one of my most favorite concealers. It's the Slime Tip Concealer. It's like really difficult to find and not every online store has it, and it's a pity because it's so cheap, but it works so well, and it's a perfect match for me, for example. And I love the fact that it doesn't crease so easily. So it's really like a win-win situation. With what is left on the brush, I like to actually go around the corners of my nose. I also like using a lighter concealer, and this one is from Huda Beauty. I just apply a tiny dot, tiny amount, under my eye, on the bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and the chin. I'm gonna powder my face. I usually don't like to powder, but I do powder in certain parts of my face. Like for example, of course, before powdering, make sure you have no creases going on, because otherwise you're gonna set the creases. And I'm gonna use this from MAC. It's the N20 Studio Fix foundation. I know that my under eye is gonna crease, so I like to powder it lightly, and make sure to powder the places where you think you might crease. Now we're going to lightly contour our faces. This contour palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm lightly contouring because, as we said, this is a K-beauty inspired makeup and they usually go very light. I usually do this, it's nothing related to Korean beauty, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of a base, which is my L'Oreal concealer. I'm gonna do my eyes. If you have something similar, I do suggest that you already use what you have. This is the Be Perfect Dream Big palette, and I'm gonna use the shade over here, which is called Driven. It's kind of a shimmery, champagne-ish shade. This is how it swatches. And apply it all over your mobile lid. We're gonna be very light-handed, and we're gonna use this kind of brownish red over here. But I'm thinking also of applying a little bit of this purple. These are two matte finishes. And probably I'm gonna mix the two together. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the champagne shade we used before in the center of my under eye. The outer under eye is a few millimeters away from my lash line. Now what we're gonna do is use red brown pencil. This is Costa Riche by MAC, and we're gonna line our eyes. Let's do it externally. So with the brown eyeliner, gel liner, whatever you have, now reinforce, line your eyes. Apply mascara. Now, as a blush, I'm going to use an eyeshadow, and I'm going to be very light-handed. I want to apply this color over here, which is called Lele. It's pink over here. I'm being very light-handed. And there you go. It's blending in. Since it's a summer makeup look, I'm going to apply highlighter. With the same brush, that I use for my cheeks. I'm gonna use this highlighter over here. Any pink purplish highlighter will do. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm gonna apply it on top of my cheeks. We're gonna use a clean brush and apply some of this highlighter over here in the middle, and we're going to highlight like inner corner. So I'm going to use a nude lip liner to line my lips. I'm going to use a little bit of this color over here, you can see. Teeny weeny. This color over here from MAC, which is Velvet Teddy Bear. We're going to use it on the top. The Q-tip. Soften the lipstick and soften your lip line. With this, we're gonna make it icy. We have more. I want it more juicy. And yeah, hello. I'm gonna fancy my hair, put something nice, and I'm gonna come back for the final result. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorial. Hope you really loved the products and the makeup look. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more culture and beauty content, don't forget to sprinkle some love by giving it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, take care and stay glamorous, and don't forget to always embrace the beauty that lies in you. Bye, sprinkles, and unika seya!